Convertible time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a beauty too, 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. 289 V8 under the hood now. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, C4 I believe it was. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Grille, driving lights. See the chrome's nice in this car. Paint shows well too. Original U paint code, Tahoe turquoise. Did notice a couple little tiny spots been touched up here. Kind of tough to even see in the video and the pictures. Also, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. That is a true wheel. That is not a wheel cover. So you know, nice looking wheels in this car. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Take a look at how straight this car is down that passenger side. Custom interior. So it's been reupholstered. It's kind of got the carbon fiber look on the inserts, and it's a luxury or pony interior. And then that carries through up here to this custom center console, which is nice because you have the drink holders, which typically you didn't have back in the day when these were produced. You also have a retro sound style radio. See it with the clock on right there. Very nice interior, black vinyl top, power top, does come with the parade boot, convertible cover. Just kind of threw that on quick so you'd be able to see it. Also some things that are going to come with this. The duster, car cover, jack, and that's the package for the convertible top cover right there. And then a pair of jumper cables just in case. We're going to leave those with it. Have the GT style rear exhaust. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we insist with transportation. Take a look at the rear chrome there. Looks good. Taillight surrounds. Bezel's nice shape. Let's take a peek down this driver's side. Also remember, we do have an open door policy if you can't make it to see this car yourself, maybe due to time constraints or distance. Open door policy for a third-party inspector. You want somebody to come and take a look at this car, report back to you. Not a problem. We do try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the still pictures you can see online, undersides, interior, and of course the driving video, which you'll be able to see what it's like. This car going down the road, and then the walk-around videos to try to give you an idea what these cars are like. You'll be able to check out the VIN and the door tag and the still pictures, as well as probably over 120 plus pictures of this car online on our website. I'll tell you that at the end here yet. First of all, let's check out the interior. So we have custom gauges, classic instruments gauges to be exact. Fog light switch over here, power top switch here. Radio does work. Just got to power it up. I'm going to fire up the engine here too. Fuel gauge looks like it came up. Oil pressure. Voltmeter looks good. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Again, retro style radio. Dash looks good. Wipers do work, just so you know. Take a little closer look at the seats. Free of rips, tears, holes. Like I said, kind of custom interior. Good looking interior. Nice sounding car. 289 V8 under the hood. A little bit of a rumble coming out of the dual exhaust. Nothing crazy over the top, but good sounding car. slip up to the front and check out that engine compartment. Be a nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let me pause this a second. It's going to take both hands to get this hood open. Check that engine bay out, and we'll look at the top and wrap this up. Underside of the hood looks good. Nice, clean engine bay. So aluminum radiator, electric fan. Got some dress up with the valve covers and air cleaner cover in chrome. Looks like a newer master cylinder and brake booster back there. Strut tower brace. Power steering, power brakes. 4-barrel carb. An Edelbrock 4-barrel. Good looking engine bay. This is a battery disconnect. You have it in storage for any amount of time or in between drives. Good looking engine bay. All right, one last pause. Let's put the top up. Check that out. Black vinyl power top coming up. And the top up. So power top functions as it's supposed to. Works well. Is black vinyl. Looks like a newer top. Not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Clear rear window. Looks like it's in good shape. Need it to keep you out of the sun, or maybe a brief garden variety shower. It's going to serve its purpose just fine. 1966 Ford Mustang convertible. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Ford Mustang in a nice blue, kind of a turquoise color. All our gauges do appear to be working. This is an automatic on the floor. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down. Our oil pressure is about 40. Fuel is at half of the gauge. Volts are at 14.5. The temperature about 190. Now we're doing 55 miles an hour. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash that does function. Our wipers are also working. Good looking color combo with this turquoise and black on the interior. If we're going down the road and I let go of the wheel, it does stay straight in the lane. Our brakes are working. Mustang corners good. It doesn't lean much in the corners. Good acceleration in this car. The kickdown is working well. Check out all the details and take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.